Hi and hello. We hope that this tutorial helps you with the root servers from hetzner. To install Cloudmin Virtualizer, configuring it to host KVMs, LXCs, etc. We assume you have ordered your root server and have access to root in the initial console. We have documented the install procedure based on Debian Linux distribution operating systems. We will install via the hetzner rescue system Ubuntu 16.04 LTS, on which we will install the Cloudmin script. Command install image will bring up a GUI and to select install Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. The install script is self-explanatory for the most part. This step loads the initializing script from hetzner, which is well documented on your help portal, in case you need details. Basically it asks for details of the RAID configuration, partitions, etc. Keep in mind that to leverage snapshot functionality, we are going with LVM installation. We are keeping 50 GB for the OS and rest of the 450 GB to LVM pool. LVM configuration of the drive also allow us to expand and shrink the guest HDD. Of course, backups and snapshots gives us flexibility. This would not be possible if you choose to go with standard RAID configuration without LVM volumes. Once you save the hetzner install image script, it will start to execute the steps to configure your host OS. This can take time if your HDD is large, with RAID config. After the host OS is installed and rebooted, proceed to install Cloudmin via the official script provided on virtualmin.com. Links are provided below. Once you run the script, it will import and update all required packages for hosting KVMs, LXCs. You might need to reboot once or twice as a best practice. After the installation, you can go access the server as shown in the URL, the standard port for Webmin, which is 10,000. Cloudmin virtualization software is free, if you are running one server and can host one guest on it. We will update ours to the Pro version. You can find the documentation on Cloudmin on virtualmin.com. Our link below only covers the installation without IPv6. The network config is most tricky part of the installation on hetzner servers. We have provided details on the link. You can also get in touch with us, in case you need help. You might look into the DNS server config if you want your guests to get host names assigned automatically. There are some difficulty and conflicts getting LXC bridge to work along with KVMs. Basically the network config on the LXC guest needs tweaking. We have been successful in making the network config via the terminal rather than via the Cloudmin GUI. Apparently hetzner servers require point-to-point method to configure bridge network. In case you lose connection, you would have to use the rescue mode from the hetzner robot portal. Mount the LVM volume under /mnt and then make the necessary changes to the config file and then reboot to come back online. All your additional IPs provisioned from hetzner should be configured as shown in the highlighted area. Previous step shows that the routing is configured such that ETH0 behaves like the gateway. All traffic to the guest OS will route through main host IP. The bridge network is set up to route all traffic of the guest systems through it, whereas the ETH0 behaves like the gateway. You might face disconnects, so try to keep a backup of the networking config file. You can reach us at rohit@interstellarconsulting.com. We can try to help you out.